Are you videoing yet? Good, I'm right here. All right, today we're doing a little soldering here on our gutters. It's an 8-inch half round right in here. So I'm setting an outlet right now. So I got a little soldering iron here, gas powered, little 50-50 lead tin mix. We fluxed it here. I'm just gonna come in here and solder. A little better than caulk. Caulk just peels off and fails. So we're gonna get in here and heat this sucker up. Get a little bead going there. I have to burn myself. Get her flowing good. So I've got a nephew, his name is Maley. He just turned 20 and he's an expert, he claims. But I'm the real McCoy when it comes to soldering. So you see how beautiful that looks? That's skill. Right down there, never leak. Once it's set, good heat. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna do this next side. Same thing. Get a little heat puddle going. Kind of like welding, but really not. Puddling it up. Add a little solder. Drag her along. Solder. Drag her along. So not only do we do roofs at Complete Exteriors, we do a lot of gutter work, copper especially. And there's a difference between the way our competition does it, because they'll just cut a hole in here and throw some silicone and it'll be leaking. But everything we do, we full solder for strength. Yeah,
it's
you're
nice.
Pretty impressive,
nice.
Huh, Hale?
Yes,
huh?
it is.
There's your end cap. So that's how you do a gutter that'll never leak.
Cool.